Hi, to set up your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, as a first step, turn it on by pressing this power button on the right side of the phone till you could see this display. Now we need to tap the arrow and choose language. So let me find English and then tap this arrow to go next. After that, choose your region and also go next. And now simply agree with terms and conditions by tapping right here on the circle. Now let's go next. And at this point, you can set up this phone using another device. If you want to transfer data or if you want to set up this phone like a brand new device, you can skip this step and set it up manually. And now we need to insert SIM card. So let me just remove my case. Take this tool for opening SIM card slot, which is called ejector, and it goes in a complete with the device, by the way. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this one, you can use a needle, but be really careful because you may damage the SIM tray. Now let's take a look at the bottom of the phone. Here you'll see this slot and little hole in it. Take your ejector pin, place it in that hole, then slightly press till the slot will pop up like that, and take it out using your nails. Now you should see the space for the first SIM card and for the second. So take your SIM card and note that you got this rounded corner on your SIM card and in the SIM tray as well, right here. So make sure you place it right so that corners matches. Then slightly press so it would be secured here and won't fall out. And now simply put it back in the phone. And just in a few seconds it will detect your SIM card and now we need to connect to network. So let me find mine and enter its password really quickly and tap this button connect. Now we are connected, great, let's go to the next step. And now it is getting the phone ready, so we are just waiting because this may take a few minutes. And now we can sign in Google account. So here, if you want to sign in, enter your email or phone number, then tap next and enter your password. If you don't want to do this right now, then simply skip this step. So let me just sign in and get back to you. So after you signed in, you will need to choose who will be using this device, either you or your child, and then just tap next. And here agree with terms of service. So tap I agree. And now it is getting account info again, so we are just waiting again. And at this point, you can choose whether you want to copy apps and data from your old phone or you want to set up this phone like a brand new device, as I said before. So I'm gonna select don't copy. And now we can simply enable or disable some of the permissions. For example, I'm gonna disable to send usage and diagnostic data. And let's accept it. After that, if you don't want to lose your data in the future, you can perform backup. So let's turn on backup by tapping this button. And now we need to simply choose browser and search engine. So as a browser, I'm gonna pick Google Chrome and set it as default. And for search engine, I'm gonna pick Google and also set as default. Here you can add screen lock, or you can skip this step and do it later in settings. Now let's continue the setup, and you can read this information about Gemini, personal AI assistant. And here you can turn it on, so let's do it. And we are almost done. Let's additionally change how text displays. So I'm gonna choose Mi Sans, make it bigger, and also make it bold, and save changes. So now let's also tap next and wait a bit more. And here are basic settings. So we can disable to send usage and diagnostic data from here as well. Also, you can find automatic system updates, personalized ads, which I'm gonna disable as well, and location and so on. So after that, when you made changes, just tap arrow and you can turn on parental controls if you are setting up this phone for your child, or if not, just skip this one and go next. Here, choose phone settings and now default launcher. So I prefer with app drawer. So let's pick this one and go next. And that's it. Now setup is complete, so you can tap the arrow and start using your phone. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.